Hey, digital marketers, Dr. G here. Today, I want to talk about email and how to make it smarter and faster and easier for you. But before I do, I want to let you know my opinion on email is it is not dead, it is not going anywhere. And in my experience, it's one of the highest performing tools you have, not just an acquisition of new customers and products, but it's your way of communicating to your existing customers and your prospective audience. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI tools to create emails that actually get results, whether you're writing for a client campaign or your own portfolio. Now, before we get started with AI, let's get to the basics, right? An effective email has a clear goal. It speaks directly to your audience in your brand and your vibe. It also makes it easier for them to take action, whether that's clicking a link, replying, or making a purchase. Think of AI as your brainstorming buddy or final editor. It can help you get started to make your email sound more polished, but just don't copy and paste without thinking. AI helps you, but you still need to guide it. The magic is in the prompt. Be clear and specific. Tell AI who you're writing to and what you want them to do. You're just the strategist, AI is the tool. All right, let's talk a little bit more about prompts. They are your secret sauce to getting better email drafts from AI. You don't need to be a copywriter, just a smart communicator. So I have a few go-to examples here to get you started. So when you're either acquiring a new customer or you're communicating with an existing customer wanting them to take advantage of more products and services, there's a series of emails you're going to have. Welcome emails, meaning you're going to introduce them to um, to your product. Keep it warm and friendly. Offer a discount and set the tone. A promotional email, make it fun. Aim at your audience like Gen Z and tell them exactly what to do next. Follow up. Think helpful and courteous, nudge without being pushy. Now, thank you emails. This is your chance to be personal and brand aligned. Show your gratitude, it goes a long way. Now, abandoned cart, one of the best conversion strategies you will ever have. Make it lighthearted, playful, remind them they're missing out on that sweet deal you have. And loyalty emails, these are for your VIPs. Show them appreciation, give them early access, and keep the tone genuine. Use these as starting points. Tweak and tone and brand your voice. You'll be surprised how much your email turns out when strong prompts are used. All right, here's a few quick reminders that you need to know about AI output. Personalize it with your tone and never rely on AI alone for sensitive or brand specific messages. Use it to enhance your message, not replace your thinking. All right, so maybe you do email full time and you want to think about becoming a pro. I would suggest using a subject line tester, read your email out loud, and always design for mobile first. Most people will read their email on their phone. All right, now it's your turn. When you are ready, I want you to go back to this video, look at the prompts I have, look at the designing of emails, and I want you to be careful in using AI, but play with it and make it your friendly, efficient tool, not your brain. So you'll be surprised at how much sharper and faster your emails will become. Thanks again for joining in. And as always, if you need to reach out, you know where to find me. Either comment in YouTube, or if you are a student, feel free to send me a message in Canvas. Take care, everyone, and happy email writing.